How to optimize your MedalTV. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can optimize your MedalTV by tweaking some settings. So this is gonna be the best settings for low-end PCs. So let us begin. So the first step is open up your MedalTV and make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, on the bottom left, you'll find a setting option. You'll see the gear icon, tap on it, and you'll be on the settings. So first, let us start with audio and camera. So here, you'll see recording options. There are three different recording options. Now here, just select whichever one is best for you. So record all PC audio, or you can record game only audio, or you can record game audio and Discord audio only. So you can change this accordingly. You just change whichever is most optimal for you. If you're using only game audio, you can select this. If you want all of your PC's audio, select this. This is what I recommend, but you can choose this according to your gaming requirements. So right here, this is the one that we're talking about. Make sure that you turn off separate games and voice tracks. What this does is that this tracks, or this saves your different videos, different tracks of your different headphones, microphones, and your videos. So everything will be saved differently, which will consume a lot of your PC CPU. So after that, you will see different options on the bottom as well. You can scroll down, and if you find some settings that you want to change, you can change that as well. So let's now head over to clips and recordings. So here, just choose the quality for your clips. I choose the standard one. I recommend the standard one as well. So just choose the standard one if your PC is not that high end. Then after you do that, you can scroll down, and again, if you find something that you want to change, you can change that as well. After that, let's head over to other settings here. So let me just head to game detection, custom games. So if you want to change custom game settings, you can do that here as well. So now let's head over to overlay. Now under overlay, you'll find different options. You'll see video overlay, voice overlay, and stuffs like that. So you can change that if you want to. It's completely up to you again. So yeah, those are the basic settings that you might want to change. Now I'm just looking around for different settings that I might have missed. So yeah, those are the basic settings that you might want to change to make your MedalTV more optimal. So here, let us check something else as well. So yeah, those are the basic stuff, guys. That is basically it. Now yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.